The Share tab gives you an easy and fast way to share a message and your custom share link. Tap on the orange Share button to access the list of apps that can accept and send your share message. For whichever apps you have installed on the device, you can usually see them in the list of available apps, including email, SMS, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. Choose the one you want to share with and then send your message using that app. The app can only share to some of the apps that you already have installed on your phone. In this example, we have chosen the email app to send our share message. The app inserts a starter message. You can then customize it to suit. Take care not to edit or delete your share link. This is the critical part that your recipients need to click on so that they can sign up into your community.